Hello, guys. Welcome to the 12th episode of Hours of Mystery. Yeah, the 12th, yeah. Okay, so what I did off screen was. Oh, yeah. What I did off screen was this part of the bridge. Ignore the background. Yeah, I was playing the old Firework show because we're creating a new one. So let me just, you know, boom. And then that one has nothing on it. Okay. But, if we do this, 500? No. 10. All of this. Are you guys ready? Gone. Just like that. So if you want to see that fireworks show, go to a previous episode. I think it's the 10th episode that's in. But yeah, this train bridge isn't the best. But I'll probably improve it. But besides that, the fireworks will be split into 2 videos. We'll do the fireworks. No, we'll do the fireworks today, and then like all the other effects, like the water effects and everything, next week. And we'll probably build a little, we'll probably build this little section. Not like the whole coaster or the island. And then we'll probably decorate the portal or something. But, let me see. What's the button connected to? Yep, just one sequencer. So add that one. Both of them are added now. Pretty sure. Let's no. I'm trying to play one of them. We'll figure it out. But, let's get to the time lapse. Hello guys, welcome back, and we finished the fireworks section, so let's do this, shall we? So this is where like a big water show is supposed to be. That's why that didn't have anything, but here this comes. And that's the show. For now. But next episode will be like all the water features. So like these things for anyone who didn't know. And then maybe some fire effects or something. I mean, honestly, we could just put these in the dam. What angle's the dam at? Like, here. We could put these just like nuzzled up right in there. Yeah. But, we'll do that and then probably work on this little area a little bit. And then this area. And you know what? Is this grouped? It is not. Let me group this. And then let's head over here. And then we go over here. And now boom. If we ungroup that and then make that a little smaller. Yeah. Boom. And then, boom, guys, we just did building. Okay, that's the next episode done. But, well, boom, bang, bong. Now I need to add more stuff to this. But, hope you guys enjoyed the 12th episode of Isles of Mystery. And, bye!